Are you searching for way to open, repair and view repaired PST files without use of Outlook? Then here we are with a free solution. SysInfoTools PST Viewer is inbuilt with functionalities to open your PST files with all attachments, recovers corrupted PST files, auto-detect PST folder within your local system, and which does not need Outlook installation to view PST files that are free of cost. You just have to download PST File Viewer tool and install it and you are ready to open PST files on Windows of any version. Now install and run the software. You just have to freely download PST File Viewer tool from our website sysinfotools.com, and you are ready to open PST files on Windows of any version. Now install and run the software. Click on Open icon from the taskbar. Now browse the PST file from the particular location. Select the file and click Open. Now choose the recovery mode to scan your PST file to handle corruption. Click OK to start the scanning. Click on OK from the message box saying, "Scanning is complete." Choose the folder to view the PST email from it. Preview is shown in the File Preview panel. To save your repaired PST file, download SysInfoTools PST File Repair software.
Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.